Okay, here's the deal. You've worked hard to build a great local business and you're getting reviews, but you're getting reviews across a whole bunch of different platforms. Well, that's actually great for you. Having reviews on multiple different platforms, because you never know where somebody's looking, whether it's Google, Yelp, Facebook, is awesome. But how do you showcase that to people who are on your website? That was a problem until now. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your reviews from all your platforms in one easy widget for free to your small business website. Now, I'm going to do this using Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month. I'll put the link down below. But even if you have some other website platform that you're using, the same thing will apply, and I'll show you how to do that for those other platforms too. I'm using Mighty Sites and pretending that I'm adding all my reviews to my website, and I want to showcase them. So all I have to do is use ElfSight, which integrates with Mighty Sites. It's actually free to get started, and then if you're getting a ton of traffic, it's only like $5 or $10 a month add-on. So what you do is you go over here to their all-in-one reviews widget, and I'll link to this below. You click on create the widget for free. Now you select the layout that you want. I'll just go with the default one. And now when this widget is on your site, they can see your reviews across Amazon, Facebook, all reviews. And then if you have a little niche site, you're, let's just say, a contractor who has reviews on Houzz or something like that, a platform like that, or Thumbtack, you can show those on here too. All I do is just click over here on continue with this template and then add to website for free. Now you can see you can add from all of these different platforms. There's tons of them that are integrated here, but I'm just going to click on add website for free. And I'm going to use the default copy that it comes with content here just to show you the demo. So you would add them right here, search and find the platform you want and find your reviews. Right now, I'm just going to click close. And then I'm going to click here on install. Now, if you're using a different platform from Mighty Sites, the instructions would all be right down here. But with Mighty Sites, all you have to do is click on copy code, move back over here to your platform, make sure you're in editing mode, and then you just scroll down here, click on update section, and you paste in that code from ElfSight. That's it. Now you click on save, close it, move back up to the top, click on stop editing so you can see what your website is going to look like to somebody who's visiting your page. And then as I scroll down here, now I've got all my reviews from all these different platforms that my potential customers can check out when they're looking to choose a business like mine. And anytime you're getting new reviews, they're going to funnel in here as well. So now your reviews are always connected to your website, and it's that straightforward and easy to do. I'm going to put the links to Mighty Sites and ElfSight down below. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, hit that like and subscribe so you can find all these great tips on how to enhance the look and feel of your small business website for free or cheap. Catch you in the next video.